In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up proxy server settings in Google Chrome. If you're connecting through a company network, troubleshooting access, or need to route traffic through a specific gateway, setting a proxy in Chrome is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure you have the proxy server's IP address and port number provided by your network administrator or service. You'll enter those exactly as given so your connection works properly. Start in Chrome. With the browser open, go to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens Chrome settings in a new tab where we can manage how the browser connects to the internet. On the left side of the settings page, click System. This section controls how Chrome interacts with your computer's network configuration. Once you're on the System page, click Open your computer's proxy settings. Instead of changing a bunch of individual options inside Chrome, this button hands things off to Windows and takes you directly to the right place in one step. A new Windows settings window will appear on the proxy page. Here's where the actual proxy configuration lives. Under Manual Proxy Setup, turn Use a Proxy Server to On. This tells Windows to route your network traffic through the server you specify, and Chrome will automatically follow that system-level setting. Next, enter your proxy IP address and the port number in the fields provided. The address usually looks like a series of numbers separated by dots or a host name, and the port is a short number that identifies the connection channel. Type them exactly as they were provided to you. Don't add prefixes like HTTP or HTTPS and double-check for typos. An incorrect digit can prevent pages from loading. If your organization uses different addresses or ports for different locations, be sure you're using the ones intended for your device. When you're done, click Save to apply the settings. Windows will immediately enable the proxy, and Chrome will start using it without needing a restart. This change affects most system-aware apps as well, which is helpful if you want consistent behavior across tools. If your proxy requires authentication, you may be prompted for it the next time you browse. That's normal and comes from your network's security rules. And remember, this setting remains active until you change it again. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome's menu, go to Settings, select System, open your computer's proxy settings, enable manual setup, enter the proxy IP and port, and save. You're all set.